Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And yes guys, I'm going to make some Bladderwrack powder. So this is it, and I got it from Amazon, and this is my coffee grinder, and it looks something like this guys. I hope you can see it. So I'm gonna dust some in here guys. Can you see the pieces? And you know all of this is from the sea, right guys? All right, so we're gonna grind it. Just like that. All right. Woo. So this is the second batch, okay guys? I blend some already. The darn camera was not recording. And that's the goodness there guys. All right, and you want to sieve it. All right, and when you sieve it, it's gonna look like that. And then guys, what you want to do, you want to repeat this. Put it back in the coffee grinder, and then you're gonna blend it again. When you have it like this, look at that. Bladderwrack powder, or ground Bladderwrack. I have a container here guys, and you just want to scoop it in. Bladderwrack, it's a brown algae. It's a form of seaweed. I know it's a seaweed grow in the bottom of the sea, right? In the ocean. And you can use this powder to make tea. You can put it in your smoothie. You can do whatever you want with it. It's a superfood. And you know, put together with the Irish mash, oh my God, powerhouse right there. You can also make this in a capsule. Really amazing guys. All right. This is also good to treat obesity, and if you have arthritis, this is good guys. All right, it's also good for joint pains and pain overall in your body. All right, aches and pains. Good for heartburn and hardening of the arteries, and it helps to cleanse your blood. All right, and when it cleanses your blood guys, that means it's gonna clean and it's gonna build your immune system. So this right here, it's an immune booster right here. It's also good to treat blood disorders, and it's good to treat constipation, bronchitis. So you know, if you have any upper respiratory symptoms, this is good for cold and flu. It's also good to treat emphysema and urinary tract infection. This superfood is also good to treat anxiety. All right, so basically this gonna calm your nerves. All right guys, yes, it's gonna really boost and clean and build your immune system. All right, it's gonna give you energy as well. High blood pressure and cholesterol problem, with diabetes and all of that. All right guys, so this is a superfood. You can make it in a capsule. You can put like a teaspoon and make a cup of tea. And when you're making the tea guys, you want to let it sit. So put it in the tea and let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. You can use some honey, or you can put some lemon juice, and you can make a good cup of tea. I'll make a video. Bye guys.